Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm not showing you my face today because I look awful today and I really don't think you want to see it, to be honest. You don't want to bear witness to it. I will just stick to what you have clicked on this video to see and to hear, and you don't have to see this. Also, Cooper is around, about to have his dinner any minute now, so you're probably going to hear a bit of background noise as well. There he is over there with his beloved cardboard box that is still going strong. If you watched my vlog the other day, you'll know that's become part of the furniture and it is still standing somehow. But I wanted to film this because I normally would share my weekly shop with you, but I normally go to Asda. I literally live not even 5 minutes from a huge Asda, and I always go to Asda. Now, when we lived in our old house, we lived near an Aldi, and I used to go there every week. So I haven't been to an Aldi for over 2 years, I would say. Not properly anyway. So I thought to myself, I keep seeing all of this protein stuff that's gone viral everywhere. I'll get to that in a minute. I keep seeing that everywhere. And I was like, I really, really want to go to Aldi, and I really feel like I'll save loads of money, and there seems to be loads of good stuff there, and that's what I'm going to do. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what I really think, if I really saved any money, if I really think it's worth switching, because also it is a 10-minute drive for me. As is 30 seconds down the road. I drove 10 minutes to buy all this with a 1-year-old in a car. So was it worth it is what I'm going to get to in this video. So I'm just going to take you through what I got. We are a family of 4, if you're new. This is what I got. So I'll start over here, because when you walk into the supermarket, obviously you walk into fruit and veg. So I got some carrots, I got some bananas, which were looking a little bit green, but hopefully they'll be all right by tomorrow because Cooper has about 5 bananas a day. And I got some cherries because Leo loves a cherry and I don't get them very often. I got the boys some strawberries. I got them some apples. These were cute actually. Asda sells little like mini kids apples, but these were mini pink ladies, pink kids. Which was cute. I got the kids a cucumber and a pot of hummus as well, because Leo likes to dip his veggies in some hummus. Cooper won't eat it, but Leo likes it. And I got a little medley, is that the right word? Medley of Mediterranean veg, because those are just super easy. Asda does these as well. They look pretty much the same as the one I get from Asda, but we do normally have one of those a week. Over here, I got, so Leo has flavored water at school. Now, they didn't have any like huge bottles of flavored water. They only had these smaller ones, but this will be plenty for the week. I got him some apple and raspberry flavored water, and then some fruit shoots to keep in the fridge as well. At the back, I didn't get any bread because we already have some in the cupboard, but I got a couple of these half-baked baguettes because we eat those at the weekend sometimes. I needed some penne, so I got a bag of penne and some crumpets because I've been enjoying these for lunch at the moment. Keep trying to get Cooper to eat one, but he is the worst at trying new things. I'm going to persevere because I think he will like those. Over here is like the treats for the kids, although those, I actually got those for Clint because he enjoys a fig roll. I don't know why, because I think they're gross, but there you go. They do look like dog biscuits. I got these for Leo. Now he will be very excited to see these. They look like Oreos, but coated in white chocolate, basically. He'll be chuffed. Oh, there you go. That's a better picture. He will be chuffed with those. And I got the kids some of these safari snacks. I got these little Cuthbert rollers. I have no idea what that means. Chocolate biscuit with a chocolate filling. Oh, the controversial cake. Who did they fall out with? Aldi. No, but who did they fall out with? I don't know, someone. But yeah, you're right. Cuthbert. Yeah. Cuthbert is, he's a rebel, isn't he? But Leo will like them anyway. Buttons for His Majesty, because he likes to have these after his nap. Oh, the air fryer's just gone off. And these are for Leo as well because he loves Kinder Chocolate. Okay, now we've got fridge and freezer bits and bobs. So I got a pack of mince because I normally do the kids' pasta one night. So I got that for one night. Now this, fair enough, they do have a nice selection of like ready. I don't want to call it a ready meal because it's not really like a ready meal, but like prepared meats, which doesn't sound appetizing at all, but this kind of thing, like tray bakes. And this looked quite nice. This is a ready to cook chicken and chorizo tray bake, which I thought we would just have that with rice maybe tomorrow night, but there's no way that would be enough chicken if Clint was eating with us. So I got some extra diced chicken breast to go with it as well. What else did I get? Oh, I got these tempura chicken fillets. Yeah, because I know that he likes them. And then I was thinking, oh, I'll get some katsu sauce. We'll have it with rice and some katsu sauce. That'd be lovely. But Aldi didn't have any katsu sauce. So that's one thing that I would have to go and get from a bigger supermarket because they didn't have any. I got these satay chicken skewers because Leo loves a satay chicken skewer. I got sausage and bacon because it's Friday today, it's the weekend tomorrow, and we have to have sausage and bacon for the weekend. I got these for the kiddies because the boys tend to have pizza and garlic bread on Thursdays because we have swimming lessons and it's all a bit mad. So they'll have that on Thursday. Now this, I was chuffed with these actually. I got some potato lettuce because the kids love those. And look at that. I know a 5-year-old boy who will love that. I'm pretty sure, 99.9% sure they are identical to the normal turkey dinosaurs. But the fact that they have Jurassic World on the packet will make all the difference. I also got these. Now from Asda, I normally just get the frozen mixed veg and then I just put it in like some water in a little bowl and then I cook it in the microwave that way. And you know what? I actually forgot about these. We used to get these from Aldi years ago, the steam bags. So they're all individually portioned up into these little bags. You just pop the bag in the microwave. You don't need any water or anything. So I got those for the boys because I thought actually they would be really quick and easy. Carrots, broccoli, sweet corn, perfect. That was another plus. And my good friend Gillian, I saw her put these on her stories the other day, which was one of the reasons I was tempted to go. How nice do these look? Sticky teriyaki chicken thigh bites. Clint loves a teriyaki chicken anything. So I thought these look great. I got 3 bags because I thought that will definitely be enough for all of us. Cooks 19 minutes from frozen. Maybe you can put them in the air fryer, I don't know. But we can have those for dinner one night. I got some nappies. To be fair, the Aldi nappies are decent. I used to use them with Leo when we lived near an Aldi when he was tiny, and yeah, we rated them, to be honest. They are good nappies. And a couple of packs of wipes as well. Now, this is what I keep seeing everywhere. So Aldi has got a bit of a rep at the moment for having loads of protein goodies. And this is what they had in store. So I know that the protein pancakes are supposed to be really good, but they didn't have any of the protein pancakes. They were totally sold out. But they had a couple of these. So they've got the protein yogurts. There were 3 or 4 flavors, I think. I got raspberry. There were these, which is a protein pudding. And this is in chocolate flavor. And this one is in caramel flavor. Yeah, we like that. And then this is the high protein chocolate mousse. Which looks pretty tasty, to be honest. So yeah, to be fair, that was a good little find as well. I got some petit filou, well, Aldi's version, for Coopy, some butter and some blue milk. I think that's everything. Honestly, I feel a bit mixed about it because this actually cost me pretty much exactly the same as what I would spend in Asda. This all cost £75, which is pretty identical to what I would spend a week in Asda. So I haven't come away from it feeling like I've saved loads of money, which I definitely used to a couple of years ago. So I don't know whether prices have changed or something. I don't feel like I got like loads of extravagant stuff. But yeah, I don't feel like I've saved a packet, to be honest. But there were a few nice things that I wouldn't get in Asda, like these certain things that I found that you would only get in Aldi. So that was a good treat. But there are also a couple of things that I couldn't get in Aldi that I will now have to make a separate trip to Asda to go and get. So I don't know. I feel really 50-50 about it, which isn't really a definitive answer for the video, is it? But I feel quite mixed. Will I go back next week? I don't think so. Also, I'm going to turn the camera around for this bit, even though I look horrendous today. Horrendous. But I'll tell you what, I'll tell you one of the main reasons why I don't think I'll go back next week. I forgot what it is like at the checkout in Aldi. The sheer levels of anxiety that you get at that checkout in Aldi. In Asda, I do the like self-scanner. So I stroll in with Cooper, I pack as I walk, I scan as I go, I put my card in, I pay, I leave. It is seamless. And I actually totally forgot what it's like at Aldi, and obviously you have to bag rapidly. I had a sweat on, I was nervous. I forgot about that. If I was saving hundreds of pounds, maybe it'd be worth it, but I don't know if it was worth it for that, to be honest with you. So there you go, that is my mixed verdict of my trip to Aldi. I got to turn the camera back round. Yeah, there you go, mixed bag. I need to get all this in the fridge and freezer before it defrosts, but thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I will see you in my next video.